Imagine you were given two gifts. The first was a chest full of gold. The second was something that, once lost, could never be recovered, not with all the money in the world. Which would you choose? Today's story is about that priceless gift, something many people overlook every single day. In a small, peaceful village lived an old clockmaker named Elias. He was famous for repairing clocks. People traveled from faraway towns just to visit his workshop. But there was one mystery in his shop. In the corner stood a beautiful clock covered with a black cloth. No one had ever seen it. Whenever someone asked about it, Elias would simply smile and say, "Not yet." Years passed, and the mystery remained. One day, a poor orphan boy named Noah walked into the workshop. His clothes were old, but his heart was honest. He placed a broken pocket watch on Elias's table and said, "I found this near the river. I think someone lost it. I want to return it to its owner." Elias was surprised. Most people would have kept it. Others would have sold it. But Noah wanted to do the right thing. From that day on, Elias grew fond of the boy. Noah started helping around the workshop. He cleaned the floors, organized tools, and learned the art of clockmaking. As the years passed, Noah became like a son to Elias. One evening, Noah finally asked, "Master, what is hidden under that cloth?" Elias smiled and replied, "It is the finest clock I have ever made." "Then why don't you sell it?" Noah asked. "Because it belongs to someone who truly deserves it," Elias answered. Noah never asked another question. A few months later, a terrible storm struck the village. Homes were destroyed. Families lost everything. Many people focused only on saving their own belongings, but Noah did something different. He helped the hungry. He repaired damaged homes. He cared for the sick. He worked day and night without expecting anything in return. Elias watched everything quietly. One evening, after the village had begun to recover, Elias called Noah into the workshop. "My son," he said softly, "come with me." He walked toward the mysterious clock. For the first time in decades, he removed the black cloth. Noah stood frozen. The clock was breathtaking. Golden gears sparkled in the light. Beautiful carvings covered every surface. It looked more like a treasure than a clock. Then Elias placed a small golden key into Noah's hand. "This clock belongs to you." Noah was shocked. "To me? But why?" Elias smiled. Many wealthy men wanted this clock. They saw its price, but you saw something far more valuable. Noah looked confused. Elias continued, "When the village needed help, you gave people your time. You worked for others without expecting rewards. You shared the most precious thing a person can ever give. And that is time." The room became silent. Only the ticking of the clock could be heard. Tick, tick, tick. Every second suddenly felt important. A few weeks later, Elias passed away peacefully. The village mourned his loss, but Noah continued running the workshop. The beautiful clock remained there, ticking quietly. Whenever visitors asked, "How much is that clock worth?" Noah always gave the same answer. "It is priceless." Because money can be earned again. Fame can disappear and return. Power never lasts forever. But time is different. Once a moment is gone, it never comes back. So use your time wisely. Because the greatest gift you can ever give someone is not money, power, or wealth. It is your time. The end.